This video focuses on the H3 error that appears on the screens of mini-split air conditioners from many manufacturers. Let's start by saying that the H3 code indicates a problem related to the compressor overload protection, detected when the compressor temperature generally exceeds 115 degrees Celsius. Possible causes of the H3 error code. 1. High current in the compressor. This can be caused by a short circuit in the compressor, a defect in the wiring, a problem with the electronic board, or low power supply voltage from the external electrical network. 2. Elevated compressor temperature. This can be caused by excess refrigerant, a clogged capillary, a dirty condensing unit, or problems with the fan speed of the condensing unit. 3. False alarm, generally caused by a loose cable or the thermostat, located inside the compressor, which turns it off when it overheats at 115 degrees Celsius. How to fix the H3 error in air conditioning. The solution to the problem depends on the cause of the error. It is recommended to follow the following checking order. 1. Check the power supply voltage from the external electrical network. 2. If you have an ammeter clamp, measure the equipment's current consumption from the electrical network to check for excess current presence. 3. Visually inspect the normal rotation of the outdoor unit fan and the cleanliness of the condensing unit. 4. Inside the outdoor condensing unit, check the compressor thermostat cable. Ensure that the cable is correctly connected to the outdoor unit connector. Also, check all possible connections. 5. The thermostat under normal conditions should be closed, allowing the current to pass. Check with a multimeter in continuity mode if it is closed or open. You must disconnect it to perform the measurement. 6. With a multimeter in ohmmeter mode, measure the resistance between the two thermostat cables. A value between 1 and 500 ohms indicates that the thermostat is functioning correctly. A value higher than 1 kiloohm means that the thermostat is damaged and needs to be replaced. 7. Temperature cut verification. With the thermostat out of the compressor, increase the room temperature so that the thermostat works and deactivates. If the thermostat does not turn off when it reaches 115 degrees Celsius, then it is defective. 8. Review of the capillary tube or expansion valve. Generally, when this component is obstructed, it starts to become excessively cold, sometimes even freezing on the outside. 9. Review of excess or lack of refrigerant. A unit with a higher amount of refrigerant has excessive current consumption, generating the H3 error. Even a unit with a refrigerant deficit may, in some cases, have an abnormal gas temperature, specifically at the compressor discharge, causing the H3 code. If you have gauges, you can place them and check with the equipment on the normal pressure of the unit. Normal values are around 120 psi with R410A and R32. Higher pressures indicate excess refrigerant, and lower pressures indicate a lack of refrigerant.